cry.
Please, if you ever doubt me for anything I've ever said on this channel, do not doubt my love for Power Rangers. Hey guys, I'm Sean the Fit Cosplayer, and if you have not guessed it already, this is a Power Rangers unboxing video. I've waited, y'all, I've waited my whole life for this moment. I'm about to become a Power Ranger. There are no words to express how I'm feeling right now, so let's just jump right into this. And I feel really bad. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the person that sent this, but their info is in the description. I got this off of Etsy. It is a one-size-fits-all, so yeah, hopefully my head fits all. Okay. Everyone who's ever been a Power Ranger, just thank you, really. All the actors, even the seasons that aren't my favorite, thank you. You've touched somebody's life. So if any of you watch this, I might cry. I might legitimately cry right now. I really hope I don't, but I might. You guys, this is really happening. Oh, man. Okay. I'm going to be so careful with the opening of this. My heart is beating so fast right now. It's probably the caffeine, but it's also this mask. I don't want to take too long, but I really want to savor this moment. Okay. This was very well taken care of. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so inside, I think it's just bubble wrap. Okay, so it was all bubble wrap. Oh, and the inside padded. Okay. So before I put this on, just a quick review. It is a see-through visor. It looks tinted, so I don't think. Okay, so you can see through it. But so what? I mean, it's my eyes. Okay. And there are holes under the nose, which is good because these things get very hot. I know this from, well, I've worn masks before, not this one. This is actually really light. I'm very happy. Yes. I don't know exactly what it's made of. I will put all the details in the description of this. It's not like that heavy plastic that you know, the actors were, obviously not that one. So this is a lot lighter, but this is really good quality. Wow. Oh man. Okay. It's time. It's time, guys. Okay. I should have worn a hairnet or something. Let's see. Okay, so I have a lot of hair. uh, Let me get my hair back and then we'll finish this. Okay, guys. So, I've got the hairnet on. I'm ready to try on the helmet. Let's do this. I don't know if you can hear me, but I will do a voiceover on top of this scene. So, there you go. Oh, and before I put it on, I just want to point out that there's clips on the sides, just like they used to do in Power Rangers. Well, in the movie anyway.
Dynamite.
So there you go, guys. That's my amazing helmet. One of my life dreams is complete. I am a Power Ranger. Let me know in the comments below if you have this is a dream you've ever had. I'm so happy to have this. All the information is going to be in the description below on where I got this, the seller on Etsy that I bought this from, as well as all the other things, all the other props and things that I received as well. I'll put the information below in case this is something you want to do, cosplaying as whether the Red Ranger, blue, black, green, pink, yellow, white. Yeah, if there's any other, they're right here and I forgot the name. And if you're like me, you love Power Rangers and they've also inspired you to live a life of fitness and or martial arts, then click this video right here for my Power Rangers workout video. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you can get more cosplay and fitness videos similar to this. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, your results show up when you do.